Before the first shot is fired, before a soldier takes a step, the battlefield is already being shaped from far above. The skies have always been a place of wonder. But for the modern warfighter, they are a silent high ground where the first moves of conflict are made. Intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, ISR. It's the unseen shield that spots threats before they strike. It's the guiding hand that directs forces with precision and speed. And in an era where seconds can change the outcome, ISR is the key to seeing first, deciding first, and acting first. It wasn't always this way. In the early 20th century, ISR meant pilots in open cockpits risking their lives for a grainy photograph. In the Cold War, it meant U-2s skimming the edges of the atmosphere, one wrong move away from international crisis. Today, ISR assets like the RQ-4 Global Hawk, E-3 AWACS, and advanced reconnaissance satellites don't just capture images, they deliver real-time intelligence, processed and distributed in seconds. But with every leap forward, the threats evolve too. Adversaries hide behind electronic camouflage, jam signals, and move faster than ever before. The skies have become both the watchtower and the front line. The edge ISR provides is undeniable, preventing surprise attacks, protecting troops and civilians, directing precision strikes, guiding humanitarian aid into disaster zones. This isn't just about technology, it's about survival, strategy, and safeguarding lives. In one recent operation, ISR aircraft tracked hostile movements for days, allowing ground forces to avoid an ambush that could have cost dozens of lives. From the earliest spotter planes to today's constellation of orbital eyes, ISR has been the quiet partner in every mission. And now, in this series, we'll take you inside the systems, aircraft, and strategies that keep our skies under watch. Because in the modern world, the difference between victory and defeat is knowing before the world even sees it. Stay sharp, keep looking up, and keep your eyes on the skies.